a plant-based diet, which emphasizes the consumption of whole foods derived from plants, has gained immense popularity in recent years. This dietary approach not only encompasses fruits and vegetables but also includes nuts, seeds, oils, whole grains, legumes, and beans. While some people may adopt a strictly vegan or vegetarian lifestyle, others may simply aim to increase their intake of plant foods while reducing animal products. Regardless of the approach, the benefits of a plant-based diet are numerous and can significantly enhance overall health and well-being. 1. Improved heart health. One of the most notable benefits of a plant-based diet is its positive impact on heart health. Studies have shown that individuals who consume a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes tend to have lower cholesterol levels and blood pressure. This reduction in cholesterol and blood pressure can lead to a decreased risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular conditions. The high fiber content found in plant foods helps to lower bad cholesterol LDL levels and improve overall heart health. 2. Weight management. A plant-based diet can be an effective strategy for weight management. Plant foods are typically lower in calories and higher in fiber, which can promote feelings of fullness and reduce overall calorie intake. Furthermore, studies indicate that individuals who follow a plant-based diet often have lower body mass indexes (BMIs) compared to those who consume more animal products. By focusing on whole, unprocessed plant foods, individuals can enjoy satisfying meals while maintaining or achieving a healthy weight. 3. Enhanced digestive health. Incorporating a variety of plant foods into one's diet can significantly improve digestive health. The high fiber content in fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains promotes regular bowel movements and supports a healthy gut microbiome. Fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria and contributing to a balanced digestive system. Additionally, a plant-based diet has been linked to a lower risk of developing gastrointestinal disorders such as constipation and diverticulitis. 4. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Research has shown that a plant-based diet can lower the risk of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, and hypertension. The antioxidants and phytochemicals found in plant foods help combat inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, which are contributing factors to many chronic illnesses. By prioritizing plant-based foods, individuals can enhance their overall health and reduce the likelihood of developing these serious health conditions. 5. Better nutritional intake. A well-planned plant-based diet can provide all the essential nutrients the body needs. Fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support various bodily functions. For instance, leafy greens are excellent sources of calcium, while legumes provide essential protein and iron. By focusing on a diverse range of plant foods, individuals can meet their nutritional needs while enjoying a variety of flavors and textures. 6. Environmental sustainability. Choosing a plant-based diet is not only beneficial for personal health but also for the environment. The production of plant foods generally requires fewer natural resources and results in lower greenhouse gas emissions compared to animal agriculture. By reducing the consumption of animal products, individuals can contribute to environmental sustainability and help combat climate change. Conclusion. In conclusion, a plant-based diet offers numerous benefits that can significantly enhance overall health and well-being. From improved heart health and weight management to better digestive health and reduced risk of chronic diseases, the advantages of adopting a plant-centric approach to eating are compelling. Additionally, the positive environmental impact of a plant-based diet cannot be overlooked. By making conscious choices to incorporate more plant foods into daily meals, individuals can enjoy a healthier lifestyle while contributing to a more sustainable future.